10 Financial Tips to Build Wealth in Your 20s. Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something super exciting for all you folks in your 20s. 10 financial tips to help you build wealth and secure your future. I'm here to guide you through some simple yet powerful strategies to manage your money wisely in your 20s. Let's jump into these 10 financial tips. 1. Set clear financial goals. Setting clear financial goals is a fundamental step in managing your money effectively and working towards financial success. Without clear goals, it's easy to lose sight of what you're working towards and make impulsive decisions with your finances. By defining specific and achievable financial objectives, such as saving for a down payment on a house or paying off student loans, you give yourself a roadmap to follow and a sense of purpose in your financial journey. Moreover, setting clear financial goals helps you prioritize your spending and allocate your resources more efficiently. When you have a clear idea of what you're saving for, you can make intentional decisions about where to allocate your money and avoid wasteful spending on unnecessary expenses. Additionally, having specific goals allows you to track your progress over time and celebrate your achievements along the way, which can help keep you motivated and focused on your long-term financial objectives. In summary, setting clear financial goals is a crucial step in taking control of your finances and working towards a brighter financial future. 2. Create a budget and stick to it. Creating a budget is the process of planning and organizing your finances by allocating specific amounts of money to different expenses and financial goals. It involves tracking your income and expenses, identifying areas where you can save or cut back, and setting limits on your spending. Once you've created a budget, the key is to stick to it, which means following the plan you've outlined and not overspending in any category. Sticking to a budget is essential for achieving financial stability and reaching your financial goals. It helps you stay disciplined with your spending, avoid unnecessary debt, and prioritize your financial priorities. By following your budget consistently, you can build good financial habits, track your progress towards your goals, and make informed decisions about your money. In summary, creating a budget and sticking to it is a fundamental step towards financial success. It empowers you to take control of your finances, make intentional choices about how you use your money, and work towards achieving your long-term financial goals. So if you're ready to take charge of your finances and start building a secure financial future, creating a budget and sticking to it is the first step on your journey. 3. Build an emergency fund building. An emergency fund is essential for financial security. It involves setting aside a certain amount of money to cover unexpected expenses such as medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind and ensures that you are prepared for any unforeseen circumstances that may arise. It serves as a safety net, allowing you to handle financial setbacks without relying on credit cards or loans, which can lead to debt accumulation and financial stress. An emergency fund acts as a buffer against financial hardship, enabling you to weather unexpected challenges without derailing your long-term financial goals. By building an emergency fund, you are taking proactive steps to protect yourself and your loved ones from financial instability. It allows you to navigate life's uncertainties with confidence and resilience, knowing that you have the financial resources to handle whatever comes your way. Building an emergency fund requires discipline and commitment, but the peace of mind it provides is invaluable. It is a crucial component of financial planning and an essential step towards achieving financial freedom and security. 4. Start investing. Starting to invest early is crucial for building long-term wealth and securing your financial future. By investing early, you give your money more time to grow through the power of compounding. Compounding allows your initial investment, along with any returns generated, to earn additional returns over time. This snowball effect can significantly increase the value of your investments over the years, providing you with a larger nest egg for retirement or other financial goals. Moreover, starting to invest early allows you to take advantage of the concept of dollar-cost averaging. Dollar-cost averaging involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market fluctuations. This strategy helps to smooth out the effects of market volatility over time potentially reducing the risk of investing a large sum of money all at once. By consistently investing over the long term, you can benefit from the average cost of your investments rather than trying to time the market. In summary, starting to invest early is a smart financial move that can set you on the path to financial independence and security. By harnessing the power of compounding and dollar-cost averaging, you can maximize the growth potential of your investments and build a solid foundation for your future financial goals. So don't wait. Start investing today and watch your money grow over time. 5. Live below your means. Living below your means means spending less money than you earn, ensuring that your expenses are lower than your income. This financial principle encourages individuals to prioritize saving and investing over excessive spending. By adopting a lifestyle where expenses are kept in check, individuals can build savings, reduce debt, and create a more secure financial future for themselves. Living below your means involves making conscious decisions about how you allocate your money, avoiding unnecessary purchases, and distinguishing between needs and wants. It's about embracing frugality and being mindful of your spending habits to ensure that your financial resources are used wisely. By living below your means, you can achieve financial stability, reduce financial stress, and work towards achieving your long-term financial goals. Living below your means is a fundamental principle of personal finance that promotes financial responsibility and long-term wealth accumulation. By spending less than you earn, you can build a solid financial foundation, prepare for unexpected expenses, and pursue your financial aspirations with confidence. So next time you consider making a purchase, remember the importance of living below your means and prioritize financial security and stability in your life. 6. Pay off high-interest debt. Paying off high-interest debt is a critical step in achieving financial stability and building wealth. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can quickly accumulate and become a significant burden on your finances. By prioritizing the repayment of these debts, you can save money on interest payments and free up more funds to put towards savings and investments. Additionally, paying off high-interest debt can improve your credit score, making it easier and more affordable to borrow money in the future for things like a home or car. When tackling high-interest debt, it's essential to develop a strategy that works for your unique financial situation. One common approach is the debt avalanche method, where you focus on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first while making minimum payments on other debts. Another option is the debt snowball method, where you start by paying off the smallest debts first and then work your way up to larger debts. Whichever method you choose, the key is to stay disciplined and consistent with your debt repayment efforts. By making regular payments and avoiding new debt, you can gradually eliminate high-interest debt and take control of your financial future. 7. Take advantage of employer benefits. Utilizing the benefits offered by your employer can significantly enhance your financial well-being and provide valuable resources for your future. Employer benefits often include perks such as retirement plans, health insurance, and tuition reimbursement programs. By taking advantage of these benefits, you can save money on essential expenses, secure your retirement, and even further your education without incurring additional costs. Additionally, many employers offer incentives such as matching contributions to retirement accounts, which effectively increase your savings without any extra effort on your part. Moreover, employer benefits can offer valuable protections and support in times of need. Health insurance coverage provided by your employer can help offset medical expenses, ensuring that you and your family have access to quality health care without facing financial hardship. Similarly, disability insurance and life insurance benefits offered by employers can provide a safety net in the event of unexpected illness or injury. By understanding and maximizing the benefits offered by your employer, you can optimize your financial security and make the most of the opportunities available to you. 8. Educate yourself about personal finance. Educating yourself about personal finance is essential for managing your money effectively and building wealth. By understanding concepts like budgeting, investing, and saving, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Take the time to research and learn about different financial strategies and products, such as retirement accounts, stocks, and mutual funds. The more you know about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to navigate your financial journey and make smart financial choices that can benefit you in the long run. Whether through books, online resources, or financial literacy courses, invest in your financial education to empower yourself to take control of your financial future. 9. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Avoiding lifestyle inflation is a crucial concept in personal finance that involves resisting the temptation to increase one's spending as income rises. When individuals experience an increase in income, whether through a raise, promotion, or other means, there is often a tendency to upgrade their lifestyle by spending more on luxury items, dining out frequently, or purchasing expensive gadgets. While it's natural to want to enjoy the fruits of one's labor, succumbing to lifestyle inflation can hinder long-term financial goals and lead to unsustainable spending habits. By consciously avoiding lifestyle inflation, individuals can maintain a healthy balance between their current spending and their future financial security. Instead of immediately increasing spending in proportion to income growth, it's wise to prioritize saving and investing for the future. This can involve creating a budget that allocates a portion of income towards savings and investments, ensuring that any increase in income contributes to building wealth rather than merely funding a more extravagant lifestyle. Additionally, practicing gratitude for what one already has and focusing on experiences and relationships rather than material possessions can help mitigate the urge to inflate one's lifestyle unnecessarily. Last but not least, 10. Stay patient and stay consistent. Maintain a steady approach towards achieving financial goals. Patience involves understanding that building wealth takes time and won't happen overnight. It's about staying focused on the long-term vision and not being discouraged by temporary setbacks or slow progress. Consistency, on the other hand, involves committing to good financial habits and sticking to them consistently over time. It's about making small, manageable steps towards your goals each day, rather than expecting sudden, drastic changes. In your journey to build wealth, staying patient and consistent can be your biggest assets. It's natural to feel impatient or discouraged at times, especially when progress seems slow. However, it's during these moments that patience becomes crucial. Remember that financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. By staying patient and trusting the process, you'll be better equipped to weather the inevitable ups and downs along the way. Consistency, meanwhile, is what turns good intentions into tangible results. Whether it's sticking to a budget, consistently saving a portion of your income, or regularly investing in your future, small, consistent actions add up over time. It's about making financial responsibility a part of your daily routine, rather than relying on sporadic bursts of effort. By staying patient and consistent, you'll not only reach your financial goals, but also develop valuable habits that will serve you well for years to come. And there you have it, folks. 10 financial tips to help you build wealth in your 20s. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for your financial future. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and happy saving. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next one.